Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text align and also the CSS direction. Right now we'll be discussing about the CSS vertical alignment. The CSS vertical align property sets the vertical alignment of an element. In this example, we are going to set the vertical alignment of an image in a text and also a text. So right here we are having this in our previous tutorial. If you have to follow along, you can check our CSS text align playlist or CSS text alignment playlist to be able to follow along easily. Right here we are going to align this span element and this image, our image element right here. We are going to align it vertically. So what does it mean to align something vertically? Maybe from the top to bottom or from the bottom to top. That's what they mean by vertically. So in our previous tutorial, we talked about the text align property itself. We are saying the text align property aligns something from the left to the right to the left. So but this one is vertical. This is from the top to the bottom and all that. We have discussed about the text align also. We said it can align something from the top, the bottom and all that, but this one particularly is just mainly for top, bottom, top, bottom. So let's rearrange this right here. This one also can also be used for something like anything more than top to bottom, but it just depends on what you want to do, because there is still another way you can manipulate it that can give you another result. So that's how every element works together. So right here we are selecting our image element and also our span element. Where is our image element? Our span element is this, and this is our image element. Now let's change the value right here to sub, and we give it sub and save our document. Let's reload. Can you see the reaction? This span element jumps to the bottom and this our image remain in that same spot where you see it. So all these things, I think they work in different way with they react differently, because in our previously when we use our text bottom, previously when we use our text bottom, the text bottom only reacts to our to our image very well, but our text doesn't react to it very well like that. But when we use sub right now, when we reload our document, it reacts to it, our text reacts to it, even our image also reacts to it. But one thing I want us to do right here is I want us to remove the size which I gave our image earlier. Let's see how it looks clearly. Yes, now we are able to see the reaction. Now they are both in the same, like this one is at the bottom, switched to the bottom a little, and this one also switched, this image also, this purple image also switched to the bottom a little. One thing I want you guys to notice right here again is that this sub right here, when let's say we change it to the text bottom, let's reload our document. When we reload our document, the text bottom is not reacting very well to our span element, which is our text. So definitely it reacts very well to our image, but it doesn't react very well to our text. You should notice the differences. When we specify the text top also, let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see the text top also react to our image very well, which is this purple image, but it doesn't react very well to our span element, which is our text right here. But when we specify the sub, when we specify the sub, our text reacts to the sub, and also our image react to the sub again. In our future tutorial, we are still going to use another property which we know. In our also, we have used this baseline also. This baseline, when we specify this baseline, both our text and also our image react to it. So out of the thing we have been using so far, we notice that our text bottom, when we save our text bottom and reload, can you see our this thing, our text doesn't move, but it just stay at that same spot, but our image moves. But this our image also it moves, but it's just that the little, it just move a little, just little tiny movement, so it doesn't react to it very well. Anything that are concerning it, even this desktop, when we use it there, it's only our, can you see, it's only this our image that is moving very well. This our text is not moving very well. So but only when we use this sub, the sub really help our image. When we use sub, can you see the sub really help our image? We really see it's so identical now that our span really move, and even our image still move along with it. So in our next tutorial, we are still going to talk about this much better. And while akorede ayofe is my name once again, I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much.